Unlocking the Secrets of Bicep Peak in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we'll be uncovering the meaning behind the phrase, bicep peak. This term may pop up in gyms, fitness magazines, or when talking about exercise routines. So, if you're curious to know what it means and how to use it, keep watching as we dive in. The phrase, bicep peak, refers to the visual appearance of the bicep muscle when it is developed and appears to have a prominent peak. It's a term that's commonly used in the fitness community to describe the aesthetics of a well-trained arm. Bicep comes from the Latin biceps, meaning two-headed, which relates to the bicep muscle's structure, having two main parts. The peak, in bicep peak, corresponds to the mountain-like point that forms when the bicep is flexed and is most noticeable when viewed from the side. For many fitness enthusiasts and bodybuilders, achieving a bicep peak is a symbol of dedication and hard work. It represents not just the strength of the muscle, but also how aesthetically pleasing a muscle can look. It's something many aim for as a goal in their training. Now that you know what a bicep peak is, let's see how to use this phrase in conversations or writing. He's been working out so hard, you can really see his bicep peak now. What exercises can I do to develop my bicep peak? Her dedication to fitness is apparent when you look at her bicep peak. Using the phrase can show not only your knowledge of fitness terminology but also convey a respect for the effort put into muscle development. You might have a few questions about bicep peak, such as, is bicep peak something everyone can achieve? It varies by individual, depending on genetics and training intensity. Does having a bicep peak mean your biceps are strong? A prominent peak can be indicative of strength, but it's not the only measure of a strong bicep. And that's a wrap on the phrase, bicep peak. We hope you now have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it like a pro. Remember, whether you're hitting the gym or just admiring the dedication of others, this term can add to your English vocabulary in a fun and unique way. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.